Hi beautiful Nona Obies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Uncut with Nona Obi, where we bring stories that are very controversial, has caused traffic or problem on the internet, and we'll talk about it here and see how it goes. So guys, in today's video actually we are talking about this lady, whatever is her name. She's actress and her name is Sara Martins. Okay, she broke down on tears after news started circulating online accusing her of paying people money to get May EDOCHIE's daughter assassinated. The rumor is circulating as Sara Martins, the actress, has been very vocal with her support for EDOCHIE's second wife, Judy Austin. She's been very vocal on the internet, doing giveaways, making us know that she's a ride or die person for EDOCHIE's second wife. Okay, the actress says that she held a giveaway a while back in Facebook and picked up many random winners. Fast forward to months later, one of the winners she picked up now went to send death threats to you and her daughter. She said the person behind the rumor now attached screenshot of receipts of payment she sent to the giveaway winners and passed it off as a receipt of payment to carry out the killings. Sara Martins, who stated that she has now reached her breaking point, said she's a mother and would wish another mother's child evil.
So I woke up this morning to see people tagging me everywhere, saying I pay people to kill me, EDOCHIE's daughter. I don't understand. See, this is the height I can take. I have tolerated enough trolls. I have tolerated insult upon insult from people for coming online to accuse me of something I have nothing. I have nothing to do with. It's the height of it. How can somebody wake up? How can somebody wake up and all you think of is evil against your fellow people? What kind of rubbish is this? I've been trying to control myself. But this is the height. I cannot take this. I can't. Good morning. It is becoming too much of me. What kind of rubbish is this? What is my business with you, EDOCHIE and his family? What is my business with May's children? Of what benefit will it be to me to harm May and her children? Am I the one married to her husband? What is my business with you, EDOCHIE? His family problem. Why are people so miserable and wicked? One wants to drag my name to every negative thing on the internet. Please, before now, I have never ever had any issues with people. I have never ever had any form of dragging online before. Nobody has ever dragged me online before. I have never had any sort of issues with people, and you will never hear that I had issues with people because I'm a very sweet soul. I'm a very sweet person, and this is the first time that people have been coming for like since the past 1 year. People have been dragging me left and right. Gist lover or whatever you call yourself. Keep my name off your mouth. Stay away from me. I cannot tolerate somebody coming out to accuse me of attempted murder. It is evil. It is evil. It is if I have had enough. I cannot take this. I can't take this no more. What kind of room? Why do you keep on dating my name? All you think of is destroying my name and dating my image. Why are people so... Calm down.
See, I don't want to really dive into whatever thing that is the problem here, or whatever cry or the shedding of tears she's doing here. What I want to point out specifically is, don't fight the battle that does not concern you. Don't fight battle that does not concern you. When you say things that are not your business, can you just mind your business? Like, Can you not put mouth in matters that is not your business? I don't know how to just put it. Just put mouth. Don't put mouth in matters that are your. This video is not particularly because of Sara Martins, the actress. This video is general view. When you see a fight that is not your fight, you go and enter the fight and start fighting because the person is your best friend, the person, whatever the person is. You should be at a distance and adding up. It is matters that are very strong like this. Not regular matters that you can stand beside her or beside your girlfriend or whichever the person is, ride or die. When things are up like this, it's not like you're not going to stand beside your best friend or your best. When things are like this, it's not like you're going to stand beside your best friend or bestie or whatever the thing may be. But this story of you, EDOCHIE, Judy, and me is dirty. So why are you, even when you check when these stories are going on the internet, you see that many actresses, many public figures are not including themselves, are not involving themselves, are not talking. It's too family, it's too personal. Then you want to do best friend. I don't even know what you want to do. You carry the matter for your head. When you come on the internet, you be supporting Judy, hailing her, doing giveaways, doing so many things. I didn't even know you have a child. So you had a child and you had time to be coming on the internet and be supporting another person's mess. Why would you carry this kind of matter on your head? This matter is too dirty. Why would you carry it on your head? We even have likes of people that bear false witness against their neighbor. You know day where something happened. They call you, ask you whether you did. You say you did because your girlfriend or somebody you love or somebody you know is involved. Automatically you bear false witness. It's very wrong, because at the end of the day you might even be the one to end up in prison, and truth of matter is that you don't know anything about the story. Yeah, that's the sad thing about it. You might actually be the person to finally end up in prison, whereas you don't know anything about it. So we should be very careful. We should be very, very, very careful when we put our mouth into the things that does not concern us. If you go to the few comments, see the way she's crying bitterly. She's rolling up here with tears. And somebody said in the comment section, whatever they say she did, she did. Okay, I don't think someone will collect 5k to kill someone. I hope that this will serve as a lesson to her, avoiding inheriting people's enemies. What did I just say? Avoid inheriting people's enemies, people's problems. You don't know the generation of something. Because your friend has told you the story, you automatically inherit the enemies of the person. You inherit the enemy. This is what you get when you don't mind your business. This comment is just straight to the point. Now wicked people, they always cry pass, but she go explain tire. We don't see evidence. This one said, you never see anything. Shebi when you talk say May sent arrow to kill Judy pikin, he come backfire to her son. You know ba? Are you serious? She said that. This lady is crazy. I don't have a single pity for her. So she actually said that May sent an arrow to Judy's son, and he went back to her own child and killed her child. Crocodile tears. So nothing concern with May and you, yet now you they badmouth their marriage online, since calling May wicked for tarnishing her husband and name online. What is your business with you and his family? This is another comment. May never mentioned you. Like you said, you have never met her one-on-one, but you went to DF live stream and insinuated that May didn't give you peace, hence he married Judy. You insinuated that May wasn't a good wife and Judy was there for him. You insinuated she cheated on you with someone's husband in London. You said she's an Abba made queen because she refused to accept polygamy. This woman lost her child after 3 days. You resumed trolling her. Sara, this Sandra Uzochi won a giveaway on your page because she's an anti-me. God will keep exposing you, Sara. You have no conscience. You have never hesitated to insult me on Facebook. This woman has never insulted you. You have done so much to pepper her, but she gave you a silent treatment. Imagine the skin of a cream seller, even with a filter. I don't want to read all the comments here, guys. Reading all the comments here will bore you guys, okay? But with the few comments I've read, you guys have understood a little bit of this story. Like the Sara girl, the actress girl, she's an anti-May. She's a very good friend to Judy, and she's out there to destroy May and to even cause more pain to her. You can see the whole thing she has been doing. She's the spokesperson for Judy EDOCHIE, whatever. Okay, maybe Judy EDOCHIE, whatever she said her name is. She's a spokesperson for her. She goes and Judy tells her what to say, and she comes on the internet and pushes it without being considerate. And having to know that she's a mother is even like topping up the whole thing for me. Seriously, see, when you become a mother, there are some things that automatically changes in you. There are some things that automatically you become very sensitive to. You start having conscience with. Knowing that May is a mother, you still stood by Judy to fight me, and you have a child. And now you're coming to give us crocodile tears. So I will stand by you and believe that you don't want to assassinate May's child. How wouldn't you want to assassinate May EDOCHIE's child when you have done all this to her on Facebook? When you have accused her of sending arrow of death to Judy's child, and unfortunately he went back to sender to backfire to her son. You have said so many things, and you're coming online to come and shed your crocodile tears that we will support you. No, now I'm going to carry the gangs of the people you have made anti-me to support you. You're fighting the battle you don't know. Minding your business you will not, and you have a child to take care of. If you land in prison now, who will take care of your own child? Judy will not even take care of your child if you don't know. Judge Judy your sin will not even know how your child is doing. I'll be stopping here, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please put it down in the comment section when you understood about this video. What is the moral lesson generally for this video, not only for this actress Sara? What do you understand generally about this video? Yeah, about this video, put that in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do so. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.